Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Okay, today we're talking about making money with artificial intelligence. We're talking about the few steps that you have to follow to make some money. But first of all, we are an entertainment channel. Okay, we're not a financial advisor type of thing. But my logic is undeniable. So have a look. We're talking about sandbox and how to make money, but first we ask the AI, what are the news? Okay, follow these. I went in here. The ChatGPT, and I usually prefer the Perplexity because it's a little bit better than ChatGPT. And I went in there and I asked, "What's the story with Sandbox?" Okay, SAND token. Okay, and the news are like these. Um, the price has fallen 5.09. Okay, and they have to unlock today or tomorrow, okay, 372 million cent tokens. Again, 372 million tokens, which is a huge amount. They have to release it. They are on multi-sig wallet and will follow the news. Okay, so the point is this: in few hours these guys, they will unlock a huge amount of tokens. That's why I'm advising you to do these steps to make money. Again, go on ChatGPT and ask what's the review on Sandbox, what's the news on Sandbox, and you'll find out it's a huge pressure to sell these just because of these unlock. These tokens will be unlocked, and I'm telling you, the receivers, all the guys that are receiving these tokens, they'll sell. They'll sell the first second when they get them in their wallet because it's a panic thingy. Everybody wants to be the first to get the best price. The price, it's in a panic mode, and you'll find out soon because follow the chart. And we go in here, and the chart, it's like this. Just have a look. It's Sand US dollar Tether. This is on Binance, but have a look. It's a 15-minute chart, and my intelligent, my excellent intelligent and machine learning AI indicator. I will show you the video and I'll post. Have a look at our channel and see the video. It's Lorentzian classification. Okay, see how we have a different video that you set up this thingy, but have a look. Big indicator showing that it's dropping and it's dropping. Again, remember, it's 66 cents, but the point is this: follow these simple instructions and make money, accelerate this money making thing. And my advice to you: go on Binance, go on your account, go on derivatives, click on USD futures. Boom. Wait a little bit. Wait. Okay. Bear with me because the computer it's a bit slow. My internet it's quite okayish. All right. Bitcoin it's in a selling mode. Somehow it's a tricky sentiment. But the point is this: we go in here. Come on. Give me sand. Look, send US dollar tether. I go in here and again have a look. The chart looks like this, and for you to make money, accelerated money, my advice to you: go at this button, Just a second. Here. And click on it. And my advice to you, go 20x, like borrow money, 20 times your money. If you're dealing with $1,000, Binance will give you extra 20,000, 20x, or 25, or somehow I would go 33. So roughly I would use 33x, okay? Because every 3% that sand tokens are dropping, so every 3%, I am doubling my money, okay? So I'm expecting that tomorrow and after tomorrow, sand will drop like a stone. And I'm telling you, there's an excellent chance for you to triple or quadruple your money. Again, you'll find out that from 66 cents, if it drops 6 cents, you triple your money. From 1,000, your balance would be 3,000. If it goes further down, you are multiplying your money. We're expecting sand to go towards 50 cents. So think, and do your own research. Okay? Thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day. Boom.